So DOV stands for dried on the vine, and that is the new way of drying raisins. This variety that we have out in the vineyard is called the Selma Pete. It's a cross between a Thompson, a Fiesta, and a Muscat, and it was bred out of UC Davis to help for sustainability reasons in the valley. Traditional raisins have been dried on the ground for centuries. It was the most effective way to dry them. They're in between the vines so they get direct sunlight. This causes exposure to dust, pests, can cause caramelization from the direct sunlight as well. And if any rain is present during the drying process, we can get some mold and other things that require extensive cleaning post-harvest. So dry on the vine has reduced labor in terms of now we can machine harvest and machine other parts of the process. It has reduced paper usage and reconditioning and post-process production, as well as we get double the tonnage per acre using the same amount of water, so we've saved some water. I wish consumers understood the extensiveness that goes into producing the food that people get to eat. It's not as simple as plant it in the ground and then pick it when it's ripe. There's a lot that goes into making it the best quality is, and there's a lot of post-production that goes into it as well, that people don't understand, that a raisin doesn't come straight out of the vineyard. It has to go through a cleaning process and everything to make it as top quality as it can be for your plate.